try to make no right turn down here. That's gonna block us all up. Please go straight, Swift. Please go straight, Swift. Doggone it. Swift is going to the right. Lord, is it?
Yeah, I see the little...
Oh my goodness. So he's going to have to wait till somebody who's coming from that side parks back far enough for him to make his turn. And nobody's going to do it because all them people trying to get home, so they not. Oh, he about to Debo. He about to Debo that thing. Yes, sir. Okay, Big Swift. Big Swift game. Ain't finna fall in that hole. Oh my God. Oh my God. It happens every time they come from right here, they fall in that hole.